One of the trickiest parts of watercolor painting is mixing greens. They can so easily turn muddy, look artificial, or just not match the mood of your painting. The good news is there's a simple way to take the guesswork out of this. In today's video, I'm going to walk you through an easy method for mixing beautiful and natural greens. This simple approach allows me to create a wide variety of shades of green that look realistic. They don't look too saturated. They look like they fit into place in a natural looking landscape scene or any scene where I need some green. Most of the time, my standard green is going to be Cobalt Turquoise and Raw Sienna. I like combining these two colors. They make a nice subtle olive green color, a nice standard green that I use for trees that isn't too saturated, that has a nice visual appeal to it. Say I want to have a more vibrant green. There's light shining on grass and I really need to have a more saturated green. That's when I introduce some cadmium yellow light hue. And again, these are Daniel Smith paints. Now, once I mix some of that into the mixture, I can take that olivey green color and give it a little bit more life. So now I have a green that has a little bit more saturation to it. And if I want to make that even more apparent, I will leave out the raw sienna. I will just use cadmium yellow with just cobalt turquoise. Those two colors together. Cadmium yellow and cobalt turquoise. And that'll give me an even more vibrant green. It's springtime, the grass is really starting to turn green, the trees are blooming. You'll see some really saturated green like that. Say I have trees that are off in the distance. I can use this same mixture of olive green, this mixture here, and I can add some cobalt blue into that. So say I'm painting trees and I want them to feel like they're receding into the distance, and I need something a little cooler. Playing around with different ratios of these combinations of pigments can get you a wide variety of natural looking greens. You can avoid buying those pre-mixed tubes of paint, and you can mix more greens that fit naturally within your landscapes, which give you a wide variety of options. Have you ever been really excited about a painting and you get all set up, you find that right reference that you're excited about, and then it's time to go and you feel lost? I have a free resource that I want to give to you today that can help with these problems. My 5 steps to plan a successful watercolor painting. I walk you through the crucial planning phase of your painting that will help you understand what you're going to paint first, second, and third. The planning is really so important, especially in watercolor. This medium is harder to correct. It's so immediate. So having that plan is very important. I send you a PDF that you can download. And the great thing about this is you can have it on your phone. You could print it out. You can download this right now before you start your next painting. All you have to do is follow this link here and download my 5-step guide to planning a successful watercolor painting.